Thank you, Raksha. Hi guys. On your papers it says Patiswa Baloyi. As you can see, I'm obviously not Patiswa. I am a less prettier version of the Baloyis. I'm her husband, Katakani. So she's running a bit late, so I'm just going to pitch on her behalf since I do her marketing as well. She's also supposed to be bringing the product that I'm supposed to be pitching to you guys. So I don't have that, so instead I'm just going to tell you the story of the brand. Now, Patiswa had this vision, this dream, like she had everything mapped out in life. She was going to be a CA, she was going to marry the guy of her dreams. And you know, we're going to have lots and lots of little babies. She's like 3, I'm like 5, 6, 9, whatever. So at some point, the dream of trying to be a CA kind of hit a brick wall. I know there might be 1 or 2 CAs in the room here. You guys know how tough it is. So this happened towards the end of last year, just before our wedding. So she took a bit of time off to actually finish off the planning of our wedding. And in trying to do that, you know, she was doing finishing touches. We needed to get jewelry for our bridesmaids, jewelry for herself. We looked around and found that nice jewelry was like upwards of £1,000. She was like, there's no way I'm going to ask these guys to pay £1,000 as my friends, and there's no way I'm going to spend 6 or 7 grand on getting jewelry for people. So what she did is she actually learned how to make jewelry herself. So she learned how to make necklaces and bracelets, and it turned out that she was pretty good at it. She makes some really amazing stuff, and you know, posted up on Facebook, hey guys, we got married, shine, and people were like, dude, that's really cool, where can I buy one? So we started selling them like intermittently. So now I'm trying to help her turn it into a business, and essentially what we're going to be doing is she's going to be putting out a line of necklaces which are going to range in price from about $350 to $550. And currently she's doing very classic stuff, sort of pearly stuff, but also looking to range into traditional stuff. She's also going to be doing bracelets and ankle bracelets, which are going to be ranging from about $150 to $350. In terms of getting in touch with her, I've just set up a Facebook page for her literally yesterday. It's called Creations by Patiswa. I'm going to be putting up photos of some of the product a bit later on, so if you guys want to check it out, please make sure you get on there, check out the product, give her feedback. She's like very, very, very shy. She doesn't want to go into business, so if you guys go on there, you like the product, give her the feedback, just that little nudge that Raksha was saying we entrepreneurs need to do. And that is Creations by Patiswa. Thank you.